Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Let's move to the questions in this exercise. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Okay. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. Now, we are given that cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Let the cost of notebook equals X rupees. Okay. Let the cost of a pen be Y rupees. Okay. I have supposed the cost of a notebook to be of X rupees and cost of a pen as Y rupees. Now it is given that cost of notebook is twice the cost of a pen. So given cost of notebook is equal to twice of cost of a pen. So I can say X is equal to 2 into Y. Hence I can write it like this: X minus 2Y equals 0, which is a linear equation in two variables. So this is the representation of the given situation in linear equation in two variables, right? Or we can say this is mathematical representation of this problem. All right. Express the following linear equations in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c. We have done this kind of question in our examples, so it is very easy for us. So we need to write it in this form: ax plus by plus c equals 0. Coefficient of x is a, coefficient of y is b, and constant term will be represented by c. So this equation can be written as 2x plus 3y minus 9.35 bar equals 0. So comparing it with this equation, I can say a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to negative 9.35 bar. Okay. So this is how we can write this equation in this form, and values of a, b and c by comparing the coefficients and constant term. In this case it is already written in that form: ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So I just need to compare the coefficients. So a is equal to 1. Okay. Or what you can do is, to be precise, you can write this equation like this: 1 into x, okay, minus 1 by 5 into y minus 10 is equal to 0. What is the difference? This is same equation as this, right? The only difference is the formatting. Okay. We have written it in different format where we can easily see that coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is negative 1 by 5 and constant term is negative 10. Okay. So this is how we can write these equations in general form and compare the coefficients to find values of a, b and c. Similarly, this equation will become minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. Hence a is equal to minus 2, b is equal to 3, c is equal to minus 6. This one can be written as x minus 3y equals 0. Writing it in this form, I can write it like this: 1 into x minus 3 into y plus 0 is equal to 0. Why this 0 here? To show you that it is value of c, or to show you that c is equal to 0 in this case. So a is 1, b is minus 3, c is 0. Okay. In this one, 2x plus 5y is equal to 0. To show the constant term, I can write it like this: so a is 2, b is 5 and c is 0. Okay. In this question here, I can write 3x. Now I do not have a term with y in it, so I will write 0 into y plus 2 equals 0, right? I have written it in the form of a general equation in two variables, right? This is not an equation in two variables. I have written it in that form to compare the coefficients. So a is 3, b is 0, c is 2. Okay, again this one can be written as 0 into x plus 1 into y minus 2 equals 0, right? So this will give me a equals 0, b equals 1 and c equals negative 2. For this one I can bring this 5 on right hand side, so it will be 2x minus 5 equal to 0, which can further be written as 2 into x plus 0 into y minus 5 equals 0. Hence this will give me a as 2, b as 0, c as negative 5. So this will be your answer. Okay, so I have written all these given equations in form of this general equation and found the values of a, b and c by comparing the coefficients of x and y and comparing the constant terms, right?